Ndaroga mahaha njitagwo Muthoni wa Magua na nguthoma tribute ino on behalf of my mom Wairimo, my sisters muthuri wakwa Magua Kioi, my sisters Susan, Penina, Emily and our brother Mwangi on their behalf. A light from our household is gone. The voice we loved is changed. A place is vacant in our home which can never be filled. Words cannot describe the sorrow shining through us as we write this tribute. You're the best brother we could ever ask for, and we are forever grateful to God for giving you to us. All those will always remember them because it was our thing. But the good thing is we'll always laugh at the end of it all, making our bond more strong. We will miss your jokes, your humor, and your sarcastic laugh. Hey, just know that you are the best brother ever, a perfect definition of imperfections, and that made you unique. We will miss you greatly, but at least it consoles us, knowing that you'll be watching over us, and we promise to make you proud. We loved you forever in our hearts, today and forever.
Mwadhani ya washo, Bwana asifiwe, Bwana asifiwe. Ndugu Nancy Kioi Shem, na nini ndoka kumushokeria ngatho ni undu wa wira mwega murutite. Undu wa mbere ni gushokeria Mwathani Ngai ngatho ni tondu wa muthenya wa umuthi, tondu na before mithingi ya thi itana igwo we no amenyete muthenya wa umuthi ni aukinyanirie na uthakaria tuhe riera riega. Koguo ni turashokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa wega wake no tugi wake muthenya wa umuthi. Ni gushoka njokerie ngatho Blue Spring Committee area irasemanagia Homeland. Oh, thank you. Homeland Committee area irasemanagia ni wira mwega marutite wira uyu wothe urona. They are the ones that have done it and they have done it perfectly. So ni turashokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wao na Ngai amurathime muno na thina mbere kumwika wega ni undu wa your generosity gutuhe indo cianyu. Ni turashokia ngatho muno, Ngai amurathime muno. Ningi ni gushokeria ngatho online people aria mararutaga indo ciao magatuikiria. Ni turashokia ngatho ni undu wa gututuga na indo cianyu. Turahoya Ngai ona inyu ihinda ria ubatari wanyu. Ngai ni ari muceragira na akamwika wega na akamutuga. Ni turashokeria ngatho pastor and the church ni undu wa wira mwega murutite, and even apostle. I have made to understand that ni urarutira wira mwega muno kuria committee-ini and you cannot go unnoticed. So ni turashokeria Ngai ngatho na muhunjia na kanitha. We are humbled ni wira mwega mwaturutira muthenya wa umuthi ta family ya Kioi. Ni turashokia ngatho ni undu wa wira ucio mwaturutira ona guka muthenya o muthenya guku ni kurakoragwo na fellowship mugoka mukahe andu aria marari guku hinya na mugatumiriria. We are forever grateful because of what you have done. Ni turashokia ngatho ni undu wa aini othe igwe imo appreciated to ni family ya Kioi na arata aini na investors, all people. We are so grateful because of the good work. Na guka still mugatwa company guka muthenya wa umuthi nigetha tuhurukie our son. Ni turashokia ngatho muno ni kurugama na ithuĩ ni tondu wa gutuhe hinya. Still ni turashokia ngatho ni mundu ungi wothe itanagweta na ni uraingĩrio mũhuko uraruta kindu giaku kana harĩa undu umwe kana meri wikite gutuma muthenya wa umuthi wagirire kana gutuma muturire wa Kioi wagirire. Ngai wa muoyo amurathime muno muno muno. On behalf of the family ni tucoketie ngatho kwi jeci ingi iria irathondekire haria Kioi eguthie kuhurukio. Iyo nayo ni twamucokeria ngatho ni undu wa wira mwega mararutire wa kuhaririria giikaro kiu. Tutingihota kumuriha no Ngai wa matu-ini ni aronire wira ucio mwega mararutire na ni ekumucerera o mundu na rita riake. Andu othe muigwe mwi appreciated, aria matuhete tent, aria matuhete instrument, aria mekete whatever you have done. We appreciate you so much na ni turashokia ngatho ona uri ukugotha guthirio riria ukuigua ta ngoro irainama onake Ngai amwe amucerere na mwike wega So we are grateful. God bless you, bless you, bless you. Shalom.
Oh, yeah, my God.